In this video, I'll show you how to easily record your iPhone screen with sound. Be sure to watch until the end to avoid any errors, and let's get started. First, open the Settings app, scroll down a bit and tap on Control Center. Here, make sure the screen recording shortcut is included. If you don't see it listed, scroll down until you find it. Then, tap the plus button next to it to add it to your included controls. You can also drag it up or down to rearrange the order of the shortcuts as you like. Once that's done, to start recording your screen, swipe down from the top right corner to access the Control Center. Here, you will find the screen recording shortcut. However, tapping this shortcut will begin recording without sound because the microphone is turned off by default. To record with sound, you will need to enable the microphone first. Long press on the screen recording shortcut and you will see a microphone button at the bottom. It will indicate that the microphone is off. Tap it to turn it on. Now you can start the recording by tapping the button again. It will count down from 3 to 1 and then the recording will begin. You can now capture your actions on the screen. To stop the recording, just swipe down from the top of the screen and tap the shortcut again. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up.